Alright guys, let's get straight into this video. Today I'm going to be unboxing these Softbox Lighting Kit for you. It comes with quite a few things, so as I open this lovely package, I will be showing you each and everything that came with this Softbox Lighting Kit. Professional studio photography equipment. And y'all, this bag. So I really like the bag that this softbox lighting came with, because if you're on the go, it's very simple to repack and put in this bag. So it's like a gym bag, but for your lights, okay? How cool is that? Now I'm opening this bag, and in this bag was the light cover. Gotta have that. I don't know what to call this. I guess the umbrella. I was calling it umbrella lights, but that's the wrong name. But anywho, the piece where the light bulb goes in, that's that. And then this kit came with two nylon reflectors. Okay, that the first two items I open is the nylon reflectors, okay? And then, ta-da! These are the sticks. It's actually called the standard mount stud with the single action locks and the 3-leg stage. So basically, these are the sticks that you see in this box, which has all of that I just said. The standard mounting stud, the single action locks, and the 3-stage leg. And y'all can guess, these are the light bulbs. Yay! These light bulbs were huge. They are daylight colored, safe, energy saving, general E27 socket, highly effective natural light. So this kit came with two of them, of course. Oh, gotta have a break. Feeling myself, guys. I'm feeling myself. Oh yeah, some wine, new haircut. Your girl is feeling herself. Alright, so let's get down to business. Let me tell you about this kit. This kit had no directions. I think at one point you might see me going to the table looking for a sheet of directions, but it didn't come with one. Now, I would say I'm educated. It's not really hard to figure out how to put it together, but the first time, because this kit comes with two lights, I had very many moments that I wanted to throw this light across the room, because again, it didn't come with instructions. Your girl was struggling. Guys, you see that black rubber piece that I screwed back onto the stick? Do not screw it back onto the stick. Throw it out. It don't belong there. So just watch me struggle. The second time I do this, I do it a lot faster, and at the end of the day, I didn't break nothing, right? So that's all that matters. And then there was light! Oh, there was some light in this room. Alright guys, back to business. Again, like I said, the first time I was setting this light up was a struggle. The second time I was like a pro. Here's a tip. Make sure you put the light bulb inside the reflector first, and it must be flush. If not, your lights will look funky. So as you see me, much better this time. I got the light inside the reflector. I was able to manage to mount it on the stick. Excellent, your girl was doing her thing. Yes, so much better the second time around.
So, as you guys can see, I just took off the ring light and I still have decent amount of light. Now, ideally, the ring light should be, I think, behind the cameras or on the side. I got a whole mess in this nursery trying to figure out how to arrange my lighting, but let me see. I can move the camera. So I don't get the ring light no more. I don't get the ring light no more. No, no, no. I don't get the ring light no more. Hey, hey. Trash. It's trash. It's trash. Hi guys, I hope you enjoy my unboxing video of these Softbox lighting, okay? My kit, I think, costs around $60. It's anywhere between $60 to $70. I will insert the link to my Softbox lighting kit in the description. So if you would like these lights, click the link in my description, okay? Please. But real talk, if you're a brand new YouTuber or you've been doing videos for a while and you're not feeling your light, I highly recommend that you stop everything you're doing, click the link in my description box, and order this off of Amazon, and you'll get it within 2 days. And the reason why I'm saying, like, I'm actually demanding you to get these lights is because you waste so much money on ring lights and they do not give you the quality lighting that you need for your videos. As a brand new YouTuber, everybody was like, ring light, ring light, ring light. They lied to you. They lied to you. I've seen such an improvement in my video quality because I now have these Softbox light. Now I'm just gonna be real with you. Right now I'm in my bathroom and I have some older videos, but I do want to, I'm filming this right now and I'm gonna post it in my video because I'm editing right now. And I just want to say to you, there's two tips I'm going to give to you guys, whether you're a new YouTuber or you've been in the game for a while. Get you a good camera. I would recommend my Sony, I think it's ZV-1. Click the links in my description. Good camera and good lighting will make your videos amazing. So I just wanted to give you a review because I recorded this video weeks ago because I procrastinate. So Like, I kid you not. I probably had these lightings for a month now, but y'all just seeing me unbox it. And so, my personal opinion is that these lights are worth my money. Because since I started YouTube a year ago, I've had to get 2 ring lights. 2. And guess what? The 2 costs of ring lights, or the cost of 2 ring lights, would have cost me a one-time fee for these softbox. Y'all get what I'm saying, these softbox lights, okay? So, no more ring lights, guys. Get you a softbox light, okay? I'm giving you the tea. Anywho, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me, what kind of lighting do you have? Do you even care about lighting? Comment below, please, and thank you. Ciao for now. Love you guys.